Want to automate your Facebook product post without lifting a finger? Here's how to do it with AutoDS, just in a few steps. First, go to your AutoDS dashboard and connect your Shopify or WooCommerce store if you haven't not already. Then head to the Settings tab and under Store Settings, connect your Facebook account via Meta Commerce Manager. Once linked, AutoDS will sync your product catalog with your Facebook shop automatically. That means your product titles, prices, inventory, even images get updated in real time. Now go to AutoDS and product page and turn on auto publishing. Every time you add a new product, it will be pushed straight to Facebook, ready to tag and post, run ads, or showcase in your shop tab. This automation saves hours and keeps your Facebook presence fresh. No more copy pasting product information. If you want my setup checklist or tips to get approved faster by Facebook, like and subscribe. Drop a comment with your store type and I'll help you optimize your flow. And if you got even any questions, make sure you go ahead and drop them in the comments. I will get back with a video or I will clear those doubts for you. Until then, you guys go take care of yourself and I'll catch you in the next video.